Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, power windows, bucket seats, rear view camera, third row seating.
Make a great choice today with the 2016 Ford Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, front all-season tires. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.